Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to show you how to replace the hood shocks on your E90, 91, 92, and 93. So first off, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you find value in this video, please consider subscribing and checking out more additional maintenance and repairs on the E90. For my returning viewers, thank you for watching another video. It greatly helps the channel. So the first thing we're going to talk about are the parts and then the tool we're going to use. So these are the new hood shocks that we're going to be using. Down here at the bottom, I know it's really hard to see, but I'm going to put it on the screen, the part number. These are BMW OEM parts, and we're going to be using this tool to help us hold the hood open. So you can see here we're using the tool. It is holding onto the hood shock here. The knob here is attached to a brass fitting. So you can see right here, that gold part, this is the brass fitting. This is what helps protect the rod on the hood shock so it doesn't get damaged. So to remove the hood shock, you're gonna, on the old ones, you're gonna have this little locking tab here. This is where you're going to lift them. You can use a pick or a flathead. I like to use a flathead, it seems to work a lot better. But you're gonna basically get under here and lift up, and that will release the locking tab inside, and you can easily just pull away from the body. So I'll show you here. We're doing the left side, or the driver's side. Just get yourself your pocket screwdriver right under there, just like this. And then with your hand, you can just slap it to the inside of the car. That'll release it. And now, even though there's no hood shock on here now, because we're using the tool on the other side, it is holding the hood open for us. All right, we're doing the same thing on the bottom side. We're gonna undo the locking tab. And then just pull away, it comes right out. So to install these rods is really simple. All you gotta do is just push them in, and they lock into place by themselves. All right, and for the top side, it's gonna be the same thing. You're just gonna place the rod near the rod here. And if it doesn't line up like it is right here, it's because the hood is falling a little bit. So you just lift it up with your hand and it'll reach it. Pull it in just to make sure it's locked, and you're all done. The process will be the same for both sides, so I'm just gonna speed through the passenger side now. But please take a look at my other E90 maintenance and repair videos that I believe you will also find value in. My channel has videos for multiple brands and models, so if you see a car that someone else drives that you know, share my video with them so they too can learn and save money. Please consider subscribing on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.